welcome to my channel. My name is Abby. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Manolo Blahnik Hangisi Galassia. Now if you've not seen the other videos in my little designer shoe unboxing series, then go and check those out. I've done a few now and these are the second pair of Manolos that I'm unboxing, and I've also done some Jimmy Choos. Now this is the staple Sex and the City shoe, the one in the film, so it's very exciting. Let's get unboxing. So we've got the beautiful box here, very classic, very simple. Just take off the lid there. So there we can see we've got a little card which basically directs you to the care details of how to look after these shoes. Right, that's taken the piss. And we've got two separate dust bags, one for each of the shoes. And as we can see, we'll just take off the tissue paper. Okay, so as we can see, this is what they are like in the box. I'll get one out. So this is the shoe. Obviously this has a lot of protection on the front buckle, so I'm going to take off all of the padding and the coverings and I'll get them both out in their full beauty. Stunning. Okay, so here we are. Here are the beautiful Manolo Blahnik classic shoes. This is like their staple shoe with their staple kind of buckle on, and oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Can you see how that buckle is glistening? I don't know if the camera is picking up the glistening, I can't really see, but they are hitting the light so beautifully, so perfectly. They're so sparkly and glittery, it's actually quite mesmerizing. And this colour, on the website, these kind of looked more just like a plainish gunmetal grey with a bit of dimension to it, but in person they are far more sparkly, as in when I'm tilting them there's lots of little dots that are just sparkling out there. And they also kind of, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but the dimensions of them are that they are like a gunmetal silvery sparkly grey, but then when you catch them in certain lights they're kind of having gold sheens to them. So looking more into the detail of this shoe, this is a classic court shoe shape. It's a pointed toe, but it's not like an aggressive point. It's not like super sharp, super long, anything like that. It's nice curved edge, and it just goes into a nice slant up to the heel. And this heel is the perfect heel. It looks nice and high, but it is so comfortable. I can't describe. It's just perfect. And the shape of it also means that your foot feels super secure. It's got cupping around your heel and your foot's nice and secure in the toe area. It's just a nice shoe which just feels super comfortable and is so fitting of your foot, and it just hugs it nicely and it's just really comfortable and nice. So that is a super good thing about this shoe, is that it is comfortable. I think it looks so classy. Just this shape looks so classy, so elegant. It's a staple shape and style, but the fact that they're so comfortable, I feel like you could go for days wearing these. I mean, I would want to, with how stunning they are. As soon as I put them on, I could tell these are so comfortable. Obviously I just tried them on for a couple of minutes, checking the fit, checking how they felt, and they felt so comfortable. It's just like an easy to wear shoe. You can just slip it on and go. There's no fiddly bits. You just put it on, go. You know you're going to be comfortable. You know you can wear them for as long as you need to, and they're not going to hurt your feet. Moving on to the details of the shoe. In terms of the heel, I don't know if you can see that, but that's something that I noticed, was that right here where the heel tip is, it's topped by a little silver rim, and I just thought that added an extra something to the heel, where it wasn't just a boring heel tip. It has a little bit of sparkle which sticks with the rest of the shoe, the style of the shoe. And obviously, like I mentioned earlier, the fabric of the shoe, I don't know if it's picking it up on camera, but it is glistening. It's turning from gunmetal grey to silver to gold, and it's just stunning. I don't know if you can see super close, but it's got like lines in the fabric almost, and that is where the gold is coming from. It looks like the gold is coming from like inside. It's coming from underneath the outer layer of the shoe, and I just love that dimension to it. I had no idea when I chose this on the website, I had no idea that it had this kind of two-tone dimension to it, and I also had no idea that it was so sparkly, and it was such it's such a wow shoe. I thought all the wow was going to be on the buckle, but no, the actual fabric of the shoe is incredible, and I've never seen anything like it. And of course, we have the stunning buckle that is there on the front of the shoe. It's absolutely gorgeous. It catches the light so effectively, so nicely, and it just glimmers amazingly. It's mesmerizing. But I know that they do this buckle, they have like a lighter kind of buckle, which is like a lighter silver, and this is obviously more a darker buckle, a darker, more gunmetal kind of buckle. And what I love about the diamonds is that the diamonds match the case of the buckle. They're not like white diamonds, as in like they're not like bright and clear. They match the buckle itself, and I think that ties the whole buckle in together, and this buckle goes fantastic with these shoes. I think altogether it ties in absolutely perfect, and I just love it. I think it's an absolutely stunning shoe. No wonder Carrie Bradshaw put these as the first shoes in her walk-in wardrobe, because they're gorgeous. I love them. I get the hype. I get it. I get it. So I am massively impressed with these shoes. I love everything about them. There is not one bad thing that I would say about these shoes. There's not one thing that I can pick at. They're gorgeous. When I got them out of the box, they were even more beautiful than I could have even imagined. The fabric is just incredible. The buckle on the front is sparkling away like I don't know what, and they're so comfortable. Your foot feels secure, it feels comfortable, it's not at a big arch, there's not much pressure on the balls of your feet, it's just comfortable. And I think that makes the shoe even more perfect, is the fact that yes, it looks absolutely gorgeous, it looks stunning on the foot, but it is also kind to your feet. I just feel like you're gonna feel so confident walking in these shoes, because you look great, you feel great, you're gonna be great. I love them, absolutely, hands down. So that is the end of my Manolo Blahnik Hangisi Galassia shoe unboxing. Let me know what you think of these babies down below. How are you feeling about it? Are you as wowed as me? If you like this video, give it a like, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe so that you can keep up with the rest of these unboxing videos. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!